Did you create a vision board for 2026? If you did, hit the like button because this video is just for you. Statistically speaking, only 50% of what is on your vision board you're going to manifest this year. So, what happens to the other 50%? Is it, fuck it, I'll try again next year? Better luck, cross my fingers, I think I can? Well, if you're anything like me, sometimes when I created my vision board, there were years where it just felt like it was nothing more than a pretty picture, like my creative art project that I absolutely loved, but nothing more. It sat on my dresser and I would walk by it and I would look at it and I'd go, shit. So there's a reason that 50% of your manifestations probably will not land this year. And if you want to know why, stick to the end of this video because we have the answer for you. So first of all, vision boards are an amazing tool in the right type of manifestation to help you achieve it. And these are the manifestations that are goal-based. They are the ones that you are an active participant in, the ones that you co-create with the universe. Not the ones where you sit back and go, the universe, please deliver my manifestation, and I do nothing but wait for it to show up. No, those are not your vision board manifestations. Your manifestations that work well for vision boards are your goals like healthy living, saving for a vacation, purchasing a home, car, those things where you have to actively participate in. And the reason for that is because when you see your vision board every single day sitting on your desk, sitting on your dresser, hanging on your wall, it is a constant reminder for you to be actively aware of the goals that you are trying to achieve in your life. So if you're saving for vacation, you're more likely to skip going for lunch, skip Starbucks at $8 a drink, and save that money instead to achieve your goal of vacation on your vision board. So how can you make your vision board, your manifestations land 100% of the time? So this is the answer that you have been waiting for. Dun, da, da, da. It's energy and not mindset crap. Let's get that straight. You're not changing the way you're thinking. You're not doing affirmations. You're not changing your patterns of behavior in order to think that you're shifting your energy. That is some surface level stuff that we kind of think. Energy goes a little bit deeper. Energy to us is that deep internal. It is in our energy centers. It is our thoughts, feelings, our personal power, and how we connect to those and how we manage those in our day-to-day life. So when you have the ability to go internal, work within our energy centers in the body and change the energy of how we think, how we feel, how we connect, then our manifestations are more likely 100% of the time to materialize in this reality right now in 2026. If you would like to learn more about energy and energy within our bodies and connecting that to the energy of our manifestations, then please like and follow.